guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia, and today I'm participating in a car cleaning collab with Life by Ashley. I will leave her link down below. She is a wonderful YouTuber with lots of fun things on her channel cleaning, and she does live in an RV, which I think it's super neat. So make sure you check her out. And for our collab, we are cleaning our cars. Now my car is embarrassingly disgusting. There's no other word for it, just disgusting. So come along. So here's the car. Like I said, absolutely disgusting. Like, there's no words to explain this disgusting mess. Sorry, there's people cutting the grass. So first thing that I'm going to be doing is getting all the stuff out of it, emptying it. I had taken everything out of the car that doesn't need to be in a car. I took that out to wash it. All the stuff that's in that basket over there is stuff that I need to go through and figure out what needs to go back and what doesn't, and what's garbage. So as you can see, I took out all the big garbage out, and now I'm going to wipe everything down and take out those mats and wash them. So for cleaning, I am using very simple stuff, just a Norwex dusting mitt that I wetted, and I put some lemon essential oil, polishing cloth, and then a microfiber cloth. And then in case if it doesn't work, I will use the Method glass cleaner. For the more tougher stains, like in a cup holder, I am using soap and water, and I'm just using Dawn dish soap. So the car is done to the best of my abilities. Let me just show you. I ended up putting some pads down. We really need a new car. I just don't see the point when this one's running just fine. It's just the interior has taken a beating. So I have prepped it mostly like 95% for the summer with all the car essentials that we need for summer for all our outings, traveling, anything like that. So I'm going to take you a little bit through it and show you what I have. Most of the stuff is all year round here, but I have added a new sunscreen and things like that. So I'm going to give you a little tour. So over here I always keep an umbrella and a little dusting wand thingy. Then in this front here I have extra pair of sunglasses. These are just cheap sunglasses from Marshalls that I picked up, and they are kind of suitable for both my husband and I, so that way if we forget our sunglasses, we have this, and this also acts as a cloth. So then in this one I have some chapsticks, hand cream, a body spray, there's nail clippers in here, and I'm also going to put, which I had taken them out because they dried out, is deodorants for both female and male, so that way we are covered. My kids are teenagers, so and I have boy and a girl, so that will work. And these are feminine products. I don't store medicine in here because I always worry that it's gonna go bad from the heat. Like right now it's super hot in here. Then in here I just have documents for the car. And then in here is like a little office command center type of thing. So I got another eyeglass cleaner, some hair ties, Kleenex, mints, and then I have my husband's business cards, a little notepad if he needs to write, because he does use the car for work a lot, hence why it was so messy. And then just extra pens. There's a GPS here, and then over here I have a little Ziploc container with extra charging cables and tons of headphones in case if somebody forgets the headphones. And I also have the little attachments for the iPhone that we have to have now in order for headphones, some of the headphones to work. Now I'm going to take you to the back, because at the back I don't have anything. Like I said, my kids are teenagers, so I don't really require any entertainment for them. They can entertain themselves. So in the back here I have some blankets which we can use for the beach if we forget any, or to cover in an emergency. Then I have this thing that pumps up the tires. This is an electric outlet that plugs into the lighter outlet in here, and then I can plug in things to charge if I need to. We also all have portable chargers, so that's more or less for other things. Then I have like a mini first aid kit here with just some polysporin, some hand sanitizer, and different size of band-aids, sunscreen in case if we forget, bug spray. Then I have extra pooper scooper bags that are great for garbage as well, and then just Lysol wipes. And then over here I just have an extension cord and one of these, and that's it for the back of the car. I also forgot to show you my garbage can. So my garbage can is just right over here. So some of the things that I did not include were things that I will be placing in here. Is I had thrown out all the snacks because they have been there for a year, so I need to replenish those. And I like to buy things that obviously don't melt and that aren't gonna expire on me too quickly. So I'll include like a little package of nuts, raisins, granola bars, but they can't have any chocolate in them, or like fishy crackers or any type of cracker. And I also like to include water. Now, I don't like putting plastic bottles in a car because, again, because of the heat. So I have to go get some glass bottles. I think the Volga brand has glass bottles, so I will get those, and I think they come in a package of 4. They're very expensive, but they just stay in the van, so that way, in case if we need it, we're pretty good with traveling with drinks all the time, and we're never find ourselves in places where we can purchase a drink. But just in case, like I said, the kids, if we go on long trips, are responsible for their own entertainment. I'm past that stage of my life. I don't need to provide entertainment for them. I have a totally different basket that I place in here for long trips. Like we've driven to Florida, which is 24-hour drive. So I have a separate basket that I put like blankets, pillows, and comfort things for them. But as far as like them occupying their time, they're responsible for it. They have phones, iPads, can bring books, whatever. Not my responsibility anymore. So I think I've covered pretty much everything. Like I said, the painkillers I don't put in here just because I worry that they're gonna get spoiled with the heat, but I always have them in my purse. I guess that doesn't really work for my husband, and my daughter's pretty good at sticking some in her bag as well. So between the two of us, I'm sure, like I said, we're never that far that we can't get some. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed collaborating with Ashley. Make sure you check her video out. I will link it down below. And if you're coming from Ashley's channel, make sure you say hello so I know who you are and that you're coming from her channel. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.